Hello everyone, welcome back to the Avalon game project. So last time we have implemented the very first part of the round voting state. So at this point we are able to first verify if the payload is proper. Well, it's correct. It's actually a pretty solid check. We verify the player ID, all the fields, and the validity of each field, and then we would save this round and broadcast this event. So. Let me see. So, okay. So at this point, so now what we want to do is to continue to implementing this. We want to verify if the round vote is completed. So let's go to that. So, in this case, I think I wanted to accept event as well. Actually, no. I think we need a quest number equals to event payload get quest number. Yes. This is a quest number. So we're gonna go in there. Quest number, and this would be an int. Are we getting an int? Int or string? Int could be fine. It's okay. So yeah. So this is that. So how can we verify that the round vote for this round is completed? We will have to verify if we have the same number of round vote as the number of players. So we'll need, of course, the repository. So first of all, we'll get the game. We'll get all the players. So it's like players equals to get players, and then we need the round votes. So we need to get the round votes. Okay, so get round vote, it returns round vote, and this returns a list of round vote. Okay, we'll deal with this later. So now we want to verify that the well, the thing is, I'm thinking when we actually create a round vote, we also want to verify that this player has not voted yet. Get round vote. Yeah, we're already doing that, so that's pretty good. Okay, so now we want to verify that return. Yeah, so this is good enough. So now let's test it. So this is test round service. That test is round vote completed. We need a marker, maybe. We get a game, quest number. Do we need a round number? We don't really need a round number actually. No, actually we do. Quest number and round number. So we'll have to go back. Go back here. Round number equals to event. Yep. And we get it the round number. Okay. So now we need a quest number, get round votes, quest number and round number is also an int. Okay. Quest number, round number, we don't need the players. We don't need a game, so okay, we have, let's say, 10 players. Okay, let's actually vote players, and then okay, players, and we need round votes, right? So when this is called quest number, we don't quest number, round number. So now when we verify is round vote completed, we want to verify that no, we have to mock a few things more. So the repository returns players, and repository, when we are calling the get round votes, we want it to return round votes. Cool. So when we call this, we want to verify that assert res is true. So in this case, if everything so if the number of players equals the number of round votes, we are going to return that the round vote has completed. So we want to verify that get players was called by game ID, and get round votes was called by quest game ID, quest number, and round number. So this is all very standard. We are because we're changing the because we're changing this signature of is round voted completed, so that's why this has failed. It failed on which line? Let me see. Just tell me where it failed. 31. Wait, what? So this one. So we have to modify the event somehow. Let me put a quest number equals to 3, round number equals to 4. So now in the event payload, we want to have the quest number, and the round number is round number, and this payload is payload. Cool. So now when we want to assert round vote completed, we want to give it quest number, round number. And let's just copy this. So are we asserting it somewhere else? Yes, here. Completed. Okay, so now, yep, cool. Fix some legacy issue, quote unquote. Okay, and we want, yeah, so we have verified everything. Yeah, so now at this point we want to verify that actually the same thing, not completed. So now instead of we only okay, so now assert is false. Okay, let's see, everything passes, good. So now once we have this, we want to verify that is proposal passed. So first of all, I think we need to change the same thing because we added in this method, we still need to verify. We still need to get the round votes themselves. So to get round votes, we need the quest number and round number. So if we run the test again, I think we're not verifying its proposal passed. That's strange. Okay, anywho, so we still need the round votes. Now, okay, so now we still got these, and so now it's a little so now actually we need the majority. So yeah, so approved votes. Now we need to understand if approved votes is the majority of round votes. So basically, if return so actually instead of this, see, the thing is in Python, actually, can we do this? Yes, we can just do this. Yeah, it doesn't matter if we get a decimal here or not. So say we have 11 people, we still need 6 votes. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So if this is 6, we're still good. Cool. I think this is good. So now, actually, I'm thinking using parameterize here might be a little bit like more suitable, because I don't really want, so this is very simple logic. I don't want to have 2 separate tests for testing this like rather simple logic. So I'll use parameterize. Number of votes, and we need to is completed. So now the number of votes, if it's 10, then it is completed. If it's 5, 4, it is not completed. So we want to include num of votes and is completed to inject these 2, and of course we don't need this marker anymore. And here, instead of number of players, we want to time this by number of votes, and we want to assert that this equals to is completed, right? So let's run it. Perfect, still passing, good. And now let's test the is proposal passed. So def test is a proposal passed. Now we need a run service, we need a repository, and here unfortunately we do need a marker because we need to create a bunch. So yeah, we need to create a bunch of round votes which has is approved field. Actually, round vote is approved. Yeah, okay. Okay. So now quest number, number of players, we don't need that. Okay, so now when we do verify this, we want to create the round oh, we're not looking the right place. We want to create this round vote part. So round votes equals to and yeah, let's just do 10. How bad can it be? Of course, we need a marker around the vote, and is approved is true. No, actually, we need it to be false. Around the votes, I can vote. Cool. So now we have we have all the votes, which is vote against. Now, we want to give it a number. That the number of approved approval, and this is instead of completed, this is passed. Okay, so now if we have 10 players, actually let's write it down. Num of players equals to 10. Okay, so if we have that, let's inject num of approval and is passed. We want the round votes this to be true. So now when the round res equals round service is approved is proposal passed, we give it game ID, quest number, and round number. We want to verify that the res equals to is passed, and we don't have these. All we have is the repository.get round votes get called by these three parameters. So let's run the tests. Everything done. So if we get 10, yeah, even 8, it should be fine. That is very strange. Oh, because of course, because we're not letting the repository dot get round votes dot return value equals round votes. We're not returning this actually. So now it would pass, yes. Cool. Actually, even if it's 10, we actually want to verify some edge cases. So I want to verify that when it's 6, it is passing. When we get 6 approvals, but when we get 5 approvals, it's not passed, right? So let's try again. Perfect, still passing. Yeah, cool. Because now, like, really, we need the majority of it. Cool. So now, game ID. Let's add it quest number and the round number. Okay, so now on exit, what we do with this? Exit, I think what we need to verify is that So now we need to pass some value to on exit, because at this point we want to let everybody know that the result of so if the proposal actually passed, yeah, if the proposal passed, we want everybody to know, or if it's failed, we want everybody to know. So this here we actually publish the broadcast the result of this voting. Okay, actually, I'm thinking about wrapping up. I'll think about it. Let's have a shorter day. But I'm thinking, so basically instead of doing this, I'm thinking about do we though? So okay, I'm thinking about having to create like a self.game ID, self.quest number, and self.round number, so that we could pass it to the on exit. But the thing is, I think no matter what, so if this is completed, I'm thinking actually we want to just broadcast it here as passed. Yeah, so we should do it here instead of having it on exit, because yeah, I think I understand what I was thinking, because this is wrapping up, this is not the main logic. But the thing is, we have all the information here. So after, if the round is completed, we can get the whether the proposal has passed. We have this piece of information. We also have we're able to actually go get all the votes and then let everybody know that who voted what. It's actually, so we can do it here in such a way that we could always just find the last quest and its last round to do the thing. But here at least we should update the round to set the is approved field. So yeah, I think next time I'm gonna do some I'm gonna add it to do refactor here to update the round after round dot is approved. No, round. No, I think round it's status, right? Result. Okay, cool. Today we had a pretty short day. Yeah, one small step at a time. Thank you everybody for watching. See you next time. Bye.